having unwanted acne, makeup patches, be honest, when was the last time you properly washed your makeup brushes? I'm not here to judge you because in this video, I will be showing you the exact and proper way to thoroughly wash your makeup brushes. Don't skip any part of this video because every single second is just as important. Hello, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Rosental. I am a professional makeup artist and makeup tutor. And on this YouTube channel, my job is to aid learning makeup easier for you. The first step in washing makeup brushes is to get your materials ready. A mild soap. I didn't say soap. I said mild soap, M-I-L-D. Whether you are learning makeup for your personal use or you are a makeup artist, you are dealing with a face. Now, you don't want to use soaps to wash your brushes that are too harsh to the skin to avoid after reaction. The soap I usually go for is Joy soap. If you have a cleanser, fine. Don't go for soaps like Premier Cool. Those soaps that when you apply it on your skin, you have reactions or you feel itchiness or hotness after a minute or two. The second material is lukewarm water. You might ask, why not cold water? Why not hot water? Hot water can damage the bristles of your brushes if it's too hot. Cold water can also work. But why I said lukewarm is that lukewarm water will help clean your brushes faster than a cold water would. I'm not saying a cold water wouldn't do the job, but a lukewarm will do it faster. The third material you need when washing your brushes is a cleaning mat. Before I got a cleaning mat, I used to use my palms. The fourth material is a clean towel. A towel maybe that you're not using anymore, but it's not dirty. It should be a clean towel. The fifth is obviously your dirty brushes that you want to wash, your micellar water. Now, this is optional. When your materials are ready, you have soak your dirty brushes in your lukewarm water or cold water, depending on what you are using now. Why are you soaking your brushes? Have you ever thought about why, whenever you want to bathe, most times you would pour water on your body first before using sponge and soap so that it will not be too hard? The same way, by the time you have soaked your brushes for about a minute, the soap will be easier to penetrate through the brushes. Another thing too is when you are soaking, try as much as possible not to soak it so much so that the water exceeds this point. Now, what do I mean by this point? This is the handle of your brush, and then this is your bristles. The next thing to do is to tap on your soap. Use your brush and tap on your soap. One by one, you are going to be washing your brushes. I use my hands before using the cleaning mat, just in case you are somebody who does not have a cleaning mat yet. Now, you want to tap on the soap, and then you swirl around your hand, either in zigzag motion, circular motion, as much as you have, as long as you're not seeing dirt on the brush again, you are good to go. When tapping on your soap, try as much as possible not to take excess soap, so you don't have excess residue by the time you later rinse your brushes and it dries off. I used to use my hand before, and I think I would just like to tell you maybe the difference between using your palms and using a brush mat. For me, the main reason why I got a brush mat is simply because I'm a makeup artist. I have a number of brushes. So by the time I was always using my hands, at some point it will start to itch me. You know how when you're continuously washing and washing and washing your clothes, and at some point your hands will be red and it will be itchy. Okay, so it gave me a lot of discomfort, and that's why I got a cleaning mat. But if you have maybe just 10 brushes, 5 brushes, I think your palms are okay, except you just still want to get a cleaning or a brush mat rather. I made this mistake initially when I got a brush mat, and that's why I wouldn't want you to make the same mistake. When you are using a brush mat to wash your brushes, a brush mat is not as fragile or as stable as your hands. You can easily damage the bristles of a brush by using a brush mat if you are too hard. So when you are brushing on the mat, do not be too hard. You can see this where the shape is now, where the shape of this brush is. If you use a lot of force, you will have, by the time it dries, by the time the brush dries, what you will have is like the bristles will be scattering. That's what you will have. So when you're washing, don't be too hard, don't use too much force, rather be gentle. When you are rinsing it, after swirling it, after washing your brush, make sure that the water does not exceed this point. Now this point is actually the point between the brush handle and then your brush, the bristles. This is where the glue is. Because if it exceeds it, from time to time, the glue will begin to soften and it will eventually break. I've rinsed our brushes. The next thing to do now is to dry them. There's a particular way to dry brushes. First of all, remember that cleaning towel I said you would need as a material to wash your brush. You will place it on a flat surface. Assemble your brushes on the towel. So when you are placing your brushes after you are done washing it, what you need to do is to leave it in this sort of manner. Can you see? In this sort of manner, whereby the brushes are out in the air. So that they'll be able to, the air or the sun, whether you're putting it under the sun, it will be able to penetrate through and dry it properly. When you decide to dry your brushes under the sun, please don't leave it for 24 hours, don't leave it for 12 hours. Too much heat can damage the bristles of a brush. So if you're going to leave it under the sun, depending on how hot the sun is, 4 to 6 hours is enough. Every single thing I'm saying is just so your makeup brushes last longer, your makeup comes out looking good, you avoid unwanted acne. I've been using my brushes for about 5 years now, and that's just because of the habits I take when I'm cleaning it, when I'm using them. I hope you have been able to learn a thing or two from this video. And if you did learn something new, don't forget to share this video to somebody else who might find this video very helpful. Give me a like, thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, leave a comment. When was the last time you cleaned your brushes? And what will you be trying new? What will you be doing better now? If you have any questions relating to this video or makeup in general, let me know your thoughts in the comments. Before leaving, don't forget to subscribe so that you will continue to see my gems on this channel. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Awuse Rosenthal. I'm a makeup artist. Until I see you in my next video, do take care. Bye.